I'm going to show you how to replace a water filter on a GE fridge. As you can see here, the water filter light is on. It's an orange light here. And the filter is up here in the right-hand upper corner. So that's the old filter here. All right, so what we're going to do is we've got the new filter here. This is a MWF type filter. This is Pure Line. It recommends to replace every 6 months. Some people can go for longer, some it's shorter if you're using your fridge a lot. But what you're going to want to do is take off this top tab here, and then we're going to go ahead and take out the old filter. And how you do that is you just turn it to the left here. So counterclockwise motion, and it just comes off. There may be a few drips of water coming down. And then with the new one, you kind of rotate and push up until you cannot do it, rotate it anymore to the right. Apologies for the caterpillar in the left-hand corner of the camera here, also known as my finger. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take a cup and you're going to want to run about a gallon to a gallon and a half of water. Just kind of waste a gallon to a gallon and a half of water at this point. And you might get some sputtering from the filter. So yeah, GE themselves says you can put some tap water in the filter before you replace it, but you may get some sputtering here, but that's normal. So we're just wasting about 1 to 1.5 gallons of water. At this point, we're going to go ahead and reset the light here. You just press it down for 3 seconds, and as you can see, it'll turn off. So great. One more thing I do like to do here, since we replaced the filter, I'm going to go ahead and just take a paper towel, and sometimes I'll clean out the spout here. I really hope this video helped. Go ahead and check out the next video, guys.